Hey, what's going on, guys? It's FreeForm here, and we are back with another video, and today it is going to be a design somewhat tutorial, mostly just a walkthrough of kind of how I do stuff. Today we're going to be working on my good buddy Rocket League Soul, one of my partners on Instagram, a fresh new logo for him. I did create his last one with the little halo and smoke and stuff, and he's given me some new ideas that we are going to implement into his logo for today. So we're going to start off with the black background here, and we're going to come and implement whatever we want. So to start off, he wants it pretty clean, and he wants a nice red either background or tint to the lettering and logo itself. So my thought is we're going to come to the text tab and we're going to put a nice S. We're not going to italic it. Now we got to find a nice S, guys, that is somewhat blocky, but not so much blocky that it doesn't look very good. So this one is not terrible. And what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm going to edit it. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep the background black, and then we're gonna make a red kind of smoky flame for the logo. So I want to keep that same kind of original S that he has on his logo right now, and I want to come and, because of the editor that I use at home, guys, I'm going to block off here, and I'm going to block off here so we don't have those hang downs. And then I'm going to come in, we're going to find this a nice bright red, not that much pastel, there, a nice vibrant red. I don't know if you can tell through the recording, but it is a nice vibrant red. Then we're going to come and we're going to find our S here. We're going to line it up so that it just comes right across. We're going to line it up right up with the top and right with the bottom. And let's zoom in a bit. And then we're going to match those reds. Kind of like that. Let me line it up a little bit better. Lined up the way we want to. There we go. Kind of like that, and then that way it just fits in nice. We're gonna extend that, and we're gonna duplicate this again. We're gonna bring it down here, and we're gonna do the same exact thing. So let's line it up here. So now we have, I think, I'm going to shorten this one a little bit. So now we have our nice S. I think I'm going to shift everything over just a little bit. Keep in mind, guys, at school where I have good photo editing software like InDesign and Photoshop and also Illustrator, I can do this a lot more cleanly, but at home I do not have those capabilities. Just because, one, I don't have the money, and two, my computer most likely couldn't handle it. So let's make this nice and lined out. There we go. I still didn't. There we go. That looks much better. Okay, so now we have our nice S with the extended sides on it. We're going to come in and I'm going to add a circle, and we're going to put gaps where needed. We're going to make the circle, I'm thinking, a white, and we're going to make it nice and big, maybe a little smaller, just barely, so that we have this, and then we're going to come in with our eraser here, and we're going to make the edges cut off nice and smooth. I might take more of those black boxes and make sure that the gap is all the same. I just want to, for now though, get it as touched up as possible without having to add any more elements to the design or to the program, so that we can keep it as simple as possible for when we need to move one thing, we don't have to move a bunch of other things. So here's what we have so far, guys. Just the nice red S with the white circle. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab, I can't decide between my smoke overlay or something else. Let me think. I might try this. We're going to bring this up onto here. Let's put a never mind, we're not going to use this one. It did not blend well with the rest. I think I'm just going to stick with my typical, might go with the metal. Let's see what we do. I might put the metal overlay onto the circle and then leave. Yeah, let's do that. We're gonna put the metal overlay here on the circle. So let's take our eraser, just so I don't have to move a bunch of layers around, and let's erase that on our S. Keep in mind, guys, I could do, if we had a different background other than black to where it did not show up on the black, so like if we had a purple background, let's say, and we didn't want the metal to show up like it does on the white or the red, I would take the purple and I would duplicate that layer and then carve out where I want the metal and line it up so that it fit in where we need it to. So now that we have the metal, let's go in and I'm going to grab our smoke and we're going to bring this out, make it nice and big as well. And then we're going to add it on like this, and let's fade it just a little bit. And then we're going to go in and erase this one where we don't want it on the metal. And again, guys, like I said with the metal part, we would not do this exact thing if we were wanting to have more than one layer. So there we have that now. And then let's add one more little bit. We might, so we want to add a little sparkle to this. Let's see, we could, what do we have? You know what, guys? I think we're gonna add a nice red halo to it, just to keep kind of that Rocket League soul. You know what I'm saying? And then let's see what we can do. We might have to grab a different halo. I don't know if I can get red because of how close the color is already. It does not look like I'm going to be able to get red. Yeah, nope. Okay, hang on, guys. Let's see. I'll be back in a second, guys. I'm gonna go find a new halo and I'll be back in just a second. Okay guys, what I did was I could not find an actual black halo on Google or anything, so I do have a version of Photoshop on my computer. So what I did is I went and edited the original one enough to where it is the black inner ring with a red glow outer. So what I can do is I can just make this a nice dark red so that it still has the glow effect to it, and we still get the nice red to match the S. So we're going to take that, we might rotate it back just a little bit and make it a little bit bigger. Now that we've made it bigger, rotate it just a little bit this way, and we're going to put it right smack dab right here. And then to go along with the circle, let's move this for now. We'll take the circle. Yeah. We'll take the circle and we're going to erase right up to the halo. So that way it gets a matching feel of the S. There we go. So now we'll take our metal and line it back up, and there we go. Hang on guys, I'm gonna clean up some of the circle a little bit. Let's go right there. Let's see if we can get this straight. You know what, I'm going to take one of the rectangles, shrink it down, rotate it to the angle we want, and put it right there. And then take the circle, we'll do the original, bang, just so that it lines up with the rectangle. Perfect. There we go. I think we're good. We might go a little bit farther there. And then we'll bring this back up. And I think we are good, guys. I think it looks really nice. We've got the nice red with the metal. I'm going to touch it up just a little bit just to make sure. I think I'm going to fade the metal just a little bit so it's a little bit brighter. There we go. It might be a better mode to put this in. Ooh, that actually looks really clean. I think I'm going to do that, guys. We're going to erase right here. And we're going to send this back a layer or two. However many we need to get it to go behind the metal texture. There we go. Okay. I like that, guys. I think it looks really clean. Let me extend this down, and actually let's go ahead and let's replace all of the metal and realign now that we've stretched it out to the bottom, and we will realign it how we want it on the S. Let's just come in. Just so that it gives it that nice, that way we have the nice clean smoky look to it. There we go. I think that's good. Just because this one stands out so much, let's just make it nice and clean there. Okay guys, I think that's gonna about do it. I'll put the final version at the end, just so that you get that nice crisp HD part of it, since the recording is obviously not. I'll put the final version at the end of the video, and make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna have some ranked 3s of getting my rank. I have not played ranked 3s all season until now when it's about to end. So expect that video next, and then after that we're gonna finish the crate opening, which has been pre-recorded, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out, and I will see y'all in the next video. Goodbye.